Hello, kids. Welcome to Me and Math Live. So, let me just check who all are there in the class. Please write down your name in the comment section so that I also know who all have joined the class. Hello, kids. Welcome to Me and Math. Come on, write down your name in the comment section so that I am able to know who all have joined the class. Hurry up. Just write your name in the comment section. Come on. Write down your name in the comment section, please. All right. So, what we are going to do today? You all know this very well, I guess. Okay. So, today we are going to do the measurement. Okay. What in the measurement? We are going to learn about the mass. Okay. If you have joined the class, please write down your name in the comment section. Hello, Riansh. Good morning. Good morning, Riansh. Okay, so we are going to do the measurement, and in measurement, we are going to do the mass. Okay, all right. Before going to the topic, let's do this mystery movement. Ready for the mystery movement? Yes, yes, ready for the mystery movement? Okay, so this is your question. What falls but never gets hurt? What always falls but it never gets hurt? Guess the answer. Riyansh, come on, guess the answer. What falls but never gets hurt? What falls but never gets hurt? Can you guess the answer? If yes, please write down your answer in the comment section. No, nobody. Come on, think. What falls but never gets hurt? Hello, Priyansh. Come on, Priyansh, can you guess the answer? What falls but never gets hurt? Okay, so it's rain and the snowflakes. Okay, rain and snowflakes always falls down but never gets hurt. But if you are falling down, are you going to get hurt? Yes, definitely. Definitely, yes. Okay. Oh, so the star student of the week. Are you ready to see the star student of the week? Okay. Okay, congratulations, kids. Anya and Siddharth, you are the star student of the week. So, kids, please congratulate your friends, and I want you other also to come on this. Okay, so next week, please do your all the homeworks properly, score well, and be the star student of the week. Okay. Okay. So are you ready for the class now? Let's start. Okay. So here we go. So mission for the day. What we're going to study about. Okay. So we're going to talk about the concept of mass. We are going to talk about the concept of mass. We are going to talk about the units of mass. Okay. Units of mass and the tools used to weigh the objects. Okay. Okay. Rayansh is saying water. Yes, water. Rain is a, yes. So rain is a form of water, right? Yes. Very good, Rayansh. Okay. So we are going to talk about the mass under these three subtopics. Okay, kids. We are going to talk about the concept of mass. We're going to talk about the units of mass, and then the tools used to weigh the mass of any given object. Okay. All right. So the story time. Ria is going to buy some fruits. So Ria is going to buy some fruits. She has a big basket to keep the fruits. So what Ria is carrying? Ria is going to the fruit shop to buy some fruits and she's having what? She's having what in her hand? So when you go to the market, what you carry? Shopping bag, right? A shopping bag to keep the things that you are buying. So in that way, in the same manner, the Ria is also having a big basket to keep the fruits. Okay. At the shop, she saw apples, watermelons, cherries, bananas, grapes. So among these fruits, which one is your favorite? Write down in the comment section. Let me see which one is your favorite. Which is your favorite fruit, Riyaj? You can write any fruit, which is not even mentioned over here. And Priyansh and others who have joined the class, please write down the name of your favorite fruit. Favorite fruit. Come on. Yes. So what Ria saw on the fruit shop, she saw apples, watermelons, cherries, bananas, grapes, and various other fruits, many other fruits. Okay. I want to know which one is your favorite. Which one is your favorite? Okay, so Priyansh like watermelon. Okay, Priyansh. So I'll tell Ria to buy watermelon for you. Okay. Hello, Samaira. Hello, good morning. Samaira, which one is your favorite fruit? So Priyansh like watermelon. What about Riyansh? What about Samaira? Orange. Okay. Orange. Samaira likes orange. And Riyansh? Riyansh doesn't like fruits. Isn't it, Riyansh? Okay, let's move ahead. But she doesn't know which ones are heavy and which ones are light. So she went to the fruit shop. She saw various fruits like apples, watermelons, cherries, bananas, grapes. But she doesn't know which one is heavy in weight and which one is lighter in weight. Can you help her? Yes. Let's help Priya to check which one is heavy and which one is light. Yes. Are you ready to help Priya? Yes. If you are ready, please write yes in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so Riyansh also like watermelon. Okay, very good, Riyansh. Apples, very good. So Riyansh like watermelon, apple, and everything. Okay, so let's help Priya. Yes. Okay. Let's help Priya to see which one is heavy in weight and which one is lighter in weight. Which fruit is heavy in weight and which one is lighter in weight. Okay. So we are going to weigh them. Can you tell me the name of this tool? Can anyone tell me the name of this tool? The tool that we are going to use to check which one is heavy in which fruit is heavy in weight and which fruit is lighter in weight. Can you please name this tool and have you seen this tool before? Yes, I think all of you would have seen this type of tool, right? When you go to the market, to the vegetable shop, or to the fruit shop, you have seen such type of tool. Do you know the name of this tool? If yes, please write down the name. Let me see how many of you know the name of this tool. Okay, so Priyanka is saying weighing machine. That is right, weighing machine, but I'm expecting other name. Other name. This is a weighing machine. Very good. This is a weighing machine because it is going to weigh the weight. I'm expecting the exact name of this tool. Yes, Riyansh, have you seen this? Very good. Can you name it? Can you name it? Think, Priyansh. What other name you can give to this one? Come on. I can give you a hint. Can you see the two plate-like thing? You call it as pan. Now, can you fill up the blank? It's a weighing scale. Very good, Samaira. But I want a name which start with pan. Okay, so all of you are saying it's a weighing scale. It's a weighing scale. It's a weighing machine. That is correct. But we call it as pan balance. Why pan balance? Now the question is why pan balance? Because there are two pans, right? So on one you keep the object that you want to weigh, and on the other you put the weight. Okay, it also helps you to check which one is heavy and which one is lighter in weight. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do here. We are going to use this pan balance to check which one is heavy and which one is lighter in weight. Which one is heavy and which one is lighter in weight. Okay, so let's keep the watermelon on one and the cherry on the other. Okay, which one is heavy and which one is lighter? Can you tell me which one is heavy and which one is lighter? Uh, I'll ask you, you just write H and L. For heavy, you write H, and for lighter, you can write L. Okay, so if I look to this watermelon is heavy or light? Watermelon is heavy or light? Watermelon is heavy or light? The watermelon is heavy or light? Come on, tell me. Watermelon is heavy or light? Yes, watermelon is heavy. Heavier than the cherry. So cherry is light. That's why my pan. Yes. Can you see the sign? It shows that my watermelon is heavier than the cherry. Okay, let's check the weight of the other. Okay, let's check the weight of the other fruits. Okay, let's remove cherry and put banana. Okay, now which one is heavy and which one is light? Which one is heavy and which one is light? My banana is lighter in weight or heavier in weight compared to the watermelon? Yes. So banana is lighter in weight than the watermelon. Okay. Now, which one is the third one? The third one is the grapes. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check. Oh, again, grapes is lighter in weight and watermelon is heavier in weight. Okay. What about the apple? What about the apple? Again, watermelon is heavy and apple is light. Okay. Now let's change the fruit and let's put cherry now. Okay. I'm keeping cherry on one pan and the watermelon on the other pan. Now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. Is cherry heavy? Heavier than the watermelon? Is cherry heavier than the watermelon? You can give your answer in the form of H and L. No need to write the full spelling. Okay, just write for heavy you can write H and for light you can write L. For heavy you can write H, for light you can write L. Okay, come on tell me, what about the cherry? Cherry is heavier or lighter than the watermelon? Lighter. Very good. Excellent, excellent, kids. Okay, let's check the weight of the other. We will keep the cherry here and we will just change the fruit over the next pan. Okay, now let's see. What about banana? Banana is heavy or light? Light, heavier than cherry or lighter than cherry? Yes. Banana is lighter or heavier compared to the cherry? Yes. So it's heavy, right? It's heavy. Okay. What about the grapes? Let's check the grapes. Okay. Now what has happened? Now what has happened? Which one is heavy, cherry or the grapes? Cherry is heavy or the grapes? Now both the pans are balanced. Can you see an is equal to sign over here? That means the weight of both the fruits are balanced. They are equal, right? That's why pan is not tilted on any of the side. It is between. Equal. Very good, Samira. Very good, Samira. Very good, Priyansh. Very good, Priyansh. Very good. All right. Now let's go to the next one. Okay. Let's remove the grapes and keep the apple. Now tell me, now tell me, cherry is heavy or the apple? Cherry is heavy or the apple? Both are equal. Very good. So both are equal. Very good. So both are equal in weight because both the pans are balanced. Okay. Let's take another one. Okay, let's take another one. Which fruit you want me to take next? Come on. Which fruit? Okay, I'll ask Riyansh. Riyansh, which fruit you want me to take the next to weigh it with the other one to check the whether which one is light and which one is heavy? Which one should I take? Riyansh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Should I take apple? Should I take apple? Yes? Okay, let's take apple. Keep apple on the one side. And now let's take grapes. So if I'm taking grapes, let's check. Oh, they're equal. Yes, they are equal. Isn't it? Let's change the fruit. Let's take the cherry. Okay, and check. Okay, cherry is also equal to the weight of the apple. Okay, let's take watermelon. What about watermelon? Oh, now what has happened? Which one is heavy? Apple or the watermelon? Come on. Which one is heavy? Which one is heavy, kids? Which one is heavy? Come on. Please write your answer. Which one is heavy? Apple or the watermelon? Yes. Yes, the watermelon. Okay. Why? Because you can see the sign over here, first of all. The greater sign is towards the watermelon. And second, my pan has tilted down. That means it's heavy. Okay. And the apple pan has gone up. That means it's lighter in weight compared to the watermelon. Excellent. Okay. Hmm. So let's take one more fruit. Which one? Now, Samaira, your turn. Come on, tell me. Which one should I take? Which one should I take to check the weight? Banana. Okay. Okay. So one side banana and the other side cherry. Which one is heavy? Banana or the cherry? Come on. Which one is heavy? Banana or the cherry? Come on, come on, come on. Which one is heavy? Banana or the cherry? Come on, answer. Which one is heavy? Banana or the cherry? Come on. Yes. But no, I'm comparing banana and cherry, right? So tell me which one is heavy in this. Yes, Priyaj, correct. Banana. Banana is heavier in weight compared to the cherry. Okay, very good. So I hope you all have understood how to compare the weight, how to compare the weight, how to check which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay, so let's get back to the slides. Okay, just looking at the pictures, there are various pictures kept over here on I have put on the slides. Just looking at the picture, can you just tell me what whether the sandwich is heavy or the burger is heavy or they are equal? Just by looking at the pan balance, can you now give me the answer? You have already seen how to balance the things on the pan balance. Now, just looking at the pan balance, can you answer whether sandwich is heavy or the burger is heavy or they are equal? You can just put the sign. You can just put the sign in the comment section. I'll be able to know what you are answering. Okay, just put the sign. This should I put in between this or is equal to? Which sign should I use between the sandwich and the burger if I'm comparing their weight in the given picture? Okay, so Priyansh is saying is equal to sign. Anybody else? Samira is also saying is equal to. Others. Priyansh? Yes, very good. I will put the is equal to sign over here. Okay, okay. So I'll put is equal to sign over here between sandwich and the burger. Is equal to. Yeah. Why? Because my pan balance is not tilted on any of the side. It is completely balanced. It's in the middle, in between. So that means the weight of the sandwich is equal to the weight of the burger. Very good. Let's go to the next one. What about this? Which one is heavy and which one is light? Chips or the donut? Come on, tell me, which sign should I put in between the given picture, the chips and the donut? Come on, tell me. Very good, Rayaj. Now tell me, for this one, which sign should I put between chips and the donut? Chips and the donut. Which sign should I put in between? Come on. Look at the picture carefully and tell me which one is heavy and which one is light and which sign should I put between the chips and the donut? Come on, come on. Between the chips and the donut, which sign should I put? Everyone is just, I think, searching for the sign in their devices, isn't it? Which one is heavy? Which one is heavy? Okay, chips is heavy? No, it's lighter in weight. Okay, donut heavier in weight. So which sign will come? Very good. This sign, the greater one, will be there on the donut side. Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next one. Heavy or light? Which one is heavy and which one is light? This rice packet or or the hot dog. This is a hot dog packet. Come on, which sign should I put? Which one is heavy and which one is light? Rice is heavy or the hot dog packet is heavy? Okay, so Riyansh has already given me the answer. I'm waiting for others to answer now. I've got Riyansh's answer. What about others? Oh, I think Pratham is also joined. Hello, Pratham. Okay, okay, yes, Priyansh. Rice is heavy. So I will write H on the side where rice is kept now, and the lighter one is the hot dog. Now, which sign will I use? Very good. So the greater than sign will be on the side where the rice is kept. Very good. Because rice is heavy and hot dog is lighter in weight. Okay. Hot dog is heavy and rice is heavy and hot dog is lighter in weight. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Now what it is? A packet of biscuit and and what is this? Which fruit is this? Can you name it? Can you name this fruit? Yes? Can you name it? What is the name of this fruit? Can you name this fruit? I want to know the name of this fruit. And then you tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. And then you tell me which sign should I use in between them. Pineapple. Very good. It's a pineapple. You like pineapple, Raj? It's a pineapple. You like pineapple, Raj? You like pineapple? Oh, yes. Okay, now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. Biscuit, a packet of biscuit is heavy or the pineapple is heavy? Just looking at the picture, can you tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Pineapple. Yes. Which one is heavy? Oh, Riyansh doesn't like pineapple. Okay. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Priyansh, Samaira, Pratham. Which one is heavy? Which one is light? Riyansh. Okay. So Priyansh like pineapple, Riyansh doesn't like pineapple. Now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light? Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. So pineapple is heavy. Pineapple is heavy. Heavier than the heavier than the heavier than a packet of biscuit, right? So pineapple is heavy and biscuit is light. Now tell me, Samara, I'm getting your answer. I'm getting your answer. Don't worry. Now tell me which sign I'll put between them. Yes, Samara, tell me which sign I'll put between them. Okay, so I'll put the greater sign towards the pineapple. Correct, that's right. So pineapple is heavy and the biscuit packet is lighter in weight. Isn't it? Yes, everybody has given me that same answer. Very good. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. What about these fruits? Can you name them? Can you name them? What is this? What is the name of this fruit? What is the name of this fruit? What is the name of this fruit? Come on. Which fruit is this? Okay, so this is orange. And the this one is grapes. Okay, now tell me which one is heavy and which one is light and which sign should I put in between? Which sign should I put in between? Come on, which sign should I use in between the given fruits to check their mass or weight is equal to? Why is equal to? Because my pan, both the pans are balanced. My weighing machine is showing it is balanced. Balance means the weight of the orange is equal to the weight of the grapes, right? Isn't it? So what is mass? Now tell me, what is mass? Mass means how much heavy or light something is. So mass means how much heavy or light something is. Okay? Very good, Shashank. So mass means how much heavy or light something is. How much heavy or light something is. So we tell the mass of this is this. Looking at how much heavy the object is or how much lighter the object is. Okay, like just now we have compared the weight of various objects, various fruits, various snacks. Okay, so what we were doing right now, till now what we have done? We have compared their weight. We have just checked, okay, sandwich is heavier than the burger or not? A burger is heavier than the sandwich or not? If they are heavier, how much they are heavier? All these things, when we check, we are actually talking about the mass of those objects. Okay, all right, okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Okay, what you can see in this picture? What do you observe in this picture? On one side, on one pan, there's a book kept. And on the other side, there are how many balls are kept on the other side? How many balls are kept? Can you count and tell me how many balls are there? How many balls are there? Can you count and tell me how many balls are there? Can you count and tell me how many balls are there? Come on, hurry up. Count and tell me. Tell me the number of balls. Yes, it's three. So what we actually say, looking at the given pictures, we say that one book, the weight of one book is equal to the weight of three balls. So the weight of the book or the mass of the book is equal to the three balls. Okay, that's why it is balancing and it is equal, right? My balance by weighing balance or my pan balance is balanced. It's in between. Neither of the pan is tilted to the sides. Okay, कोई भी पैन कोई भी तरफ झुका हुआ नहीं है. सो झुका हुआ नहीं है इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर वो बीच में है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि दोनों ही ऑब्जेक्ट्स के वेट इक्वल है. इक्वल है. वेरी गुड. सो here we are comparing and looking and checking how much heavy it is equal to how much heavier than the weight is. One book is equal to how much balls if I keep on the other side, it will balance its weight. So it's like one book if I'm keeping on one side and three balls if I'm keeping on the other side, it has balanced the weight. Okay. Now next one. Can you tell me the car is equal to the weight of these blocks, but how many blocks? How many? How many blocks? How many blocks are needed to balance the weight of this car? Can you tell me the numbers? Can count the numbers and tell me how many blocks? Four blocks. Correct. Four blocks. So the weight of the car or the mass of the car is equal to the four blocks. Very good. Very good, kids. Very good, Raj. Okay. Next one. There's a packet of toffee or candies. Okay. Very good. Can you tell me the weight of this candy packet is equal to how many strawberries? Can you tell me how many strawberries are required to balance the weight of this candy packet? How many strawberries are required to balance the weight of this candy packet? How many? How many strawberries? Five, right? One, two, three, four, five. So five strawberries. Very good. Coming to the next one. What about this apple? Very good, very good, very good. What about the apple? One apple is equal to how many pebbles? How many pebbles are required to balance the weight of one apple? Six. Very good. Six. But my question to you is, what all objects we have used right till now to balance the weight of the book or the apple or the car, are these the standard weights? No, they are not the standard weights. Why they are not standard? Because the weight of my strawberry or the pebbles or the blocks or the balls might vary with the blocks or the pebbles or the balls used by Ryansh, used by Samira, used by Priyansh, used by Pratham, and other students, right? It might vary. Now, that's what the problem is. So we need a standard unit to measure the weight of the given objects, so that if I'm saying 1 kg of apple, that the weight of the 1 kg remain equal to the weight 1 kg apple weight of the Riyansh. Okay, if Riyansh is buying 1 kg apple and I'm also buying 1 kg apple, so the weight remains the same. Okay, so here comes the role of using the standard units. So Ria went to the shopkeeper with all the fruit she wanted to buy. Okay, she now Ria has completed her shopping and she now went to the shopkeeper and to get the bill, to get the bill done. So she have to pay the amount. Now money you have already studied, so I think you will be able to help Ria in that, right? So shopkeeper says we use kilograms and grams to measure the weight. So shopkeeper is saying, see Ria, we are going to use the kilograms and grams unit to measure the weight of the items that you are buying. Okay, what is this? What is the name of this device? I want the answer in the count of five. Five, four, three. Can you name the name? Can you tell me the name of this device? Can you tell me the name of this tool? Come on. Three, two, and one. What is the name of this tool? What is the name of this tool? Everybody is knowing the answer. You have already given me the answer before. It's a dash machine. What is this blank fill? Very good. Weighing scale, weighing machine. That is right. Okay, so it's a weighing machine, weighing balance, or weighing scale. Okay, very good. So we use such type of weighing machine to check the weight of the object. So this one is the analog type of machine. Why analog? Because here numbers are written and the reading and the pointer will point towards the weight, whatever you are keeping over here. Okay, whatever item you are keeping over here, it will take the weight and will refer the numbers, various numbers. So it's an analog way. Okay, and this is a digital machine. Why digital? Because it's going to give you the weight in the digits. It is not going to show you the pointers. It is just tell you, okay, suppose I have kept some balls or something. Okay, some laddus or something. And so it will tell me this laddu is weighing to this gram or this kilogram. It will directly give you the answer in the digits. So this is a digital machine and this is an analog machine. Okay, and both are weighing machine. Okay, now hurry up. You now know what is how to check whether the object is heavy or light by using the pan balance. You have checked, uh, you know this very well about the units, the kilograms and the grams. Now quickly you have to tell me which unit will you use for weighing the strawberry, a packet of chips, donut, a bag of rice, and a big watermelon, one by one. I will just put the numbers over here so that you will be able to answer it properly. It's A, B, C, D, and E. You have to tell me the unit. I'll give you an example. For example, strawberry, if Ria is buying a strawberry, then shopkeeper is going to weigh it in which unit, using which unit? Gram. Okay, one more thing. When we are writing kilogram and gram, we use the short forms. Like for kilogram, we use small k and small g, and for grams, we use small g. Okay. So just write your answer in the short forms. You tell me which unit I will use to weigh the strawberry. I have already written gram. Now tell me, what about the chips? If I have to weigh the chips, which unit I'll use? Which unit I'll use? I'll weigh it in the kilogram or the gram? Kilogram or gram? Kilogram or gram? Come on, chips. Kilogram or gram? Gram. Very good. What about the donut? Donut. A donut. Kilogram or gram? Donut. Okay. Donut. Gram. Very good. Gram. What about a bag of rice? A bag of rice. A bag of rice. Come on, the D one. A bag of rice. Kilogram or gram? Very good. Kg, that is kilograms. Okay. A big watermelon. A big watermelon. I'll measure the weight or the mass of the big watermelon in which unit? Kilogram or gram? Very good. Kilogram. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's take some random examples. Okay. Suppose I have to weigh the mass of this pencil. Which unit I will use to weigh the mass of this pencil? Gram or kilogram? Gram or kilogram? I have to weigh the mass of this pencil. Which unit I will use? Which unit? Which unit? Gram or kilogram? Pencil. Pencil or pen. Like, I have to weigh this. Gram. Very good. Okay. Now, if I have, what about your school bag? You'll weigh it in gram or kilogram? What about your school bag? Gram or kilogram? Gram or kilogram? Your school bag, that heavy bag that you carry. Kilogram or gram? Depends how much books you are carrying, isn't it? Okay. Okay, so Riyansh is going to weigh it in kilogram. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, what about a chocolate? What about a chocolate? A chocolate, gram or kilogram? Chocolate. You all like chocolates, right? So if I have to weigh the weight of a chocolate, so I'll weigh it in gram or kilogram. Chocolate. Gram or kilogram? Gram. Okay, gram. Very good. Very good. So Riya finally packs her basket wisely. Lighter things on the top. She has kept the lighter thing on the top and the heavy things at the bottom. Thank you for helping her. Okay, so Riya is saying thank you Riyansh, thank you Priyansh, thank you Samaira, thank you Pratham, thank you other kids for helping Riya to pack her bag. Okay, pack a basket. Now, let's wrap up quickly. So what we have studied today? Come on. Who will tell me what we have studied today about? We have studied about what we have studied today. Yes. So we have compared about the heavy and light. Okay. We have compared the heavy and light by using the pan balance. Okay. Then we have studied what is mass. Okay. What is mass? Then we have seen the various we have seen the units. Okay, and in units, like we have studied about the standard units like your gram and kilogram and the non-standard unit. Non-standard means which is not having the exact value, no value. It can vary from one place to another, like pebble, like yes, pebbles or balls and the seeds and various other things. Then the third one, we have seen the tools, right? We have seen the tools. Okay, that is your weighing, balance. And we have come to know that there are two types of weighing balance. Okay, one is the analog one, which have the numbers, right? Like 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, and the other one is the digital one, which shows you the exact value, like 1 kg or 2 gram. Okay, okay. So who has ruled this chapter? Who has ruled the chapter? Who has ruled the chapter? I think all of you. Okay, Reyansh, Priyansh, Samaira, Pratham. All of you have given the answers. You all have ruled the chapter. Correct, Priyansh. Okay. So, what is coming next Sunday? Next Sunday, you will study about capacity. Okay. You're going to study about capacity. Okay. Which is another topic under the measurement. Okay. So, well done, kids. You have crushed it and you all have given me the answers, and it was amazing class. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope that you all have also enjoyed the class. Okay, so see you in the next class. Okay, enjoy your day, have fun. Bye.